Hey, it's Dr. Rob with your 2-minute tip this week designed to make you feel better and live better. Today we're going to be talking about our 3 favorite glute exercises that we give most of our clients and especially our fit clients. Now, glute exercises are absolutely amazing, and if you follow any fitness person on Instagram, you will see a lot of glute exercises. Some of them good, some of them not so good. These are our most functional ones, so we're going to actually start with our most basic and we work up in terms of ascending order. The first one is a nice clam exercise. I like this one because you get to lie down, hang out, and relax. You're gonna put a band around your knee, a nice TheraBand, you can just tie it, and from here, just kind of hang out and relax, and you're gonna put your feet together, and you're just gonna go knees apart, kind of opening a clam. You have to put your hand here so it looks sexy when you're doing it. That's the only way to do these. Okay? Because the knees are bent, it's a little bit easier to do. Now, if you want to progress this and make it a little bit more challenging, you straighten it. Now it turns into what we call the Jane Fonda. So for those of you who remember the good old Buns of Steel videos but from back in the day, Jane Fonda had it right. The keys with this one, however, you can still use the band, which makes it way harder, or you can do it without and you'll still get a good challenge. However, when you're doing it, you want to make sure you're pointing the toe downwards a little bit, and then you're going to go up and slightly back with the leg, okay? The idea is you want to feel it more in the back of the hip, not in the front, okay? Again, my rule is if you're doing this, we want it, especially for rehab, you're going to do about as many as you can until it starts to burn, and then you're going to do 5 more, okay? Now our third and final glute exercise is what we call the monster walk. Now we're using a bit of a thicker band. You can still use that TheraBand around your knees or even around your ankles. If you're gonna put it around your ankles, it can create more of a challenge, but you have to make sure you're keeping your knees wide. My preference, keep it around the knees to force it wide when you'll feel it immediately in the glutes. In terms of monster walks, what you're gonna do, slightly bend, keep your feet nice and wide apart, walk like a monster, forwards, and backwards. Go the length of your basement, go the length of the gym. You'll start to get a really, really good burn on the outside. Once that starts to burn, then you can also go sideways. So side shuffle, all the way down, all the way back. I like these a little bit more because you're upright, it's a little bit more functional. We're usually walking around, that's when we need our glute muscles to be working, firing, supporting our hips and pelvis and making everything feel amazing. Try these out like crazy. I bet you'll feel the burn and you'll thank me later. Have a great weekend.